How do I put Instagram in night mode? Open the Settings app on your phone and tap IG Dark Mode. Tap where it says Enabled to turn dark mode on. Go back to the home screen and open Instagram. Your Instagram background will now be dark and easier on your eyes. Is there a dark mode for WhatsApp? Android users need to be running the latest beta version of Android Q or Android 10. Android Q comes with a native dark mode. Enable the dark theme on Android Q by going into the settings display and then tap Theme and select Dark. WhatsApp will now have dark mode applied throughout its UI except the Chats page. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for more of these videos.